study in Europe has always been your dream, but money keeps stopping, this video is for you because Hungary is offering a fully funded scholarship for 2026. And yes, your tuition fee, your accommodation, and you will also get a monthly allowance. If you're ready to study in Hungary in 2026, this is your chance to shine. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel to Olakemi. If this is your first time coming across this channel, seeing this beautiful face, you are very much welcome. On this channel, what do? We talk about opportunities abroad, we talk about study, work and migration. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any updates shared on this channel. Now let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever wanted to study abroad but you immediately gave up because of school fees? I know studying abroad is not cheap. Yes, it's a whole lot of money and a lot of things to do. Consider the fact that IELTS is also there and you also need a huge proof of funds. Or maybe you've been seeing scholarship posts online but you don't know which ones are real. If that sounds like you, then I need you to please sit down, listen carefully, because this opportunity is one of the best fully funded scholarship in Europe right now. And today's video is all about the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship for 2026 and 2027. I have a video already for 2025. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link the video right up here. I need you to watch it after this one. And yes, this is fully funded scholarship. And yes, all international students are welcome to apply, including Africans, Asian, all nationalities are welcome to apply. Now, let's first talk about Hungary, because a lot of people don't even consider it at all. And that is a big mistake. A lot of people think Hungary is just that small country, but I'm here to tell you that this is a very beautiful European country, very peaceful, very student friendly, and cost of living is much lower compared to countries like UK, Canada, or Germany. Hungary is also part of the Schengen area. Yes, if you don't know that, Hungary is part of the Schengen area, which means study there gives you access to travel across many European countries legally. Hungary universities are well recognized globally, and many of them teach programs fully in English. So you don't need to speak Hungarian before you apply. Yes, there are a lot of English programs which you can as well apply to. Now let's talk about the scholarship itself. The Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship is fully funded by government of Hungary, and it covers almost everything you can think of, from your tuition fee, your accommodation. You will even get stipends, you will get allowance. Yes, your tuition fee are fully paid by the government. You will receive a monthly stipend to support yourself, and you also get a free accommodation or housing allowance, and your health insurance is also covered for the entire duration of your studies. Yes, if you don't know this, I'm here to tell you, to break down everything. This scholarship is available for bachelor's, master's, and PhD, and even non-degree programs depending on your country. Yes, this open doors for many people. If you're a secondary school holder, you want to study your bachelor degree, your master degree, your PhD, even if it's an undergraduate program, it is all open to apply. One thing I really like about this scholarship is that it's not only for perfect students, not only for students that have first class. Of course, your academic background really matters a lot, but you don't need to be a genius or have a straight AS or first class to apply. So what matters the most is that you meet the basic requirements and you apply correctly. Let me explain how you can apply. First of all, you need to be from a country that has a partnership with Hungary under this scholarship program. Yes, and I'm going to explain further. Many African countries are included in this list, but the number of slots and courses depend on your country, which is very important. I've mentioned that in the previous video which I've made as well. Also explain how you can check if your country is eligible. You also need to have a complete requirement level of education for the program you are applying for. So if it's bachelor, you need to have your secondary school certificate ready. If it's for masters, you need to have your bachelor degree, you need to have it ready. And if it's for PhD, you need to have your master degree, you need to have everything ready. And I would say you should have done your authentication by now. Most of these programs are fully taught in English. Yes, they are taught in English. Maybe they might ask you to show the English proficiency, which is fine. Some of the school accept a letter from your previous school stating that you were taught in English. So You don't need IELTS, and some schools might require you to provide your IELTS. That depends on the course you're choosing. Now, this part is very, very important, the part I'm going to talk about right now. So I need you to listen carefully, which is the application process. The application falls into two different pathways. You just want to apply to Hungary alone. You need to apply online through the Stipendium Hungaricum portal, and at the same time you will also need to apply through your own country nominating agency. Yes, this is usually the Ministry of Education or a government scholarship board. This is where many people make a mistake, so please don't rush this part. Take your time and do it correctly. Once you apply, you may be invited for an interview, especially for competitive program. So you may be invited for an interview, and if you are selected, Hungary issues your acceptance letter, and from there you apply for the student visa. So it is step-by-step process, which is very much achievable. Now, let me say this clearly. This scholarship is 100% legit, but it is very, very competitive. Is by applying early and correctly is extremely important. So if you're serious about studying in Europe in 2026 and you don't have money for your tuition fee, this scholarship should be on your list. No excuse. Give all the time that it takes to apply. Take your time and apply. And the good thing is that after your studies in Hungary, you can also explore work opportunities in Hungary or other European country. So since Hungary is under European country, you are not tied down to Hungary alone. You can move to any other European country. That is why I'm saying this is, you can use this as a stepping stone to step into the Europe, and afterward you move to another country under Europe. Many students use this scholarship as a long-term pathway to Europe. So if you're serious about studying in Hungary, I already have a full step-by-step video. In this video, I explain how to apply, from creating your account, choosing the right course, country by country, eligibility, and also uploading all the necessary documents needed. I'm going to attach that video up here, so I need you to click on this video after watching this video, because that is where I explain in full details, step by step, take you through the application process, show you how to check if your country is eligible, and how you can apply. And even if you have one or two questions, there are a list of questions and answer over there, because it's a very simple application. Don't complicate yourself. You don't need an agent. You don't need anyone to apply on your behalf. This video is very, very much relevant, and it will help you to avoid common mistake that makes people get rejected. I'm going to attach the video up here, as I said, and I'll also put the link in the description of this video. So please make sure you watch it after this video if you're really serious about studying Hungary and you also want to study for free. And let me be honest with you guys, opportunity like this don't just change like because they exist. They realize because people take action. So don't just watch this video and throw away. Go and check if your country is eligible. Start preparing your documents right now and start early and do the right thing. The application deadline is getting closer. I don't want you to miss this opportunity of studying Hungary. And if you know someone who has been dreaming of studying abroad but keeps saying, I don't have money, please, I need you to do me a favor. Share this video with them. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Travel with Olakemi and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss opportunities like this. This is Easy Travel with Olakemi, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.